Today I am reviewing the BOSGAME P4 Plus Mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're in the market for a compact, high-performance desktop that can handle gaming, productivity, and multitasking without breaking sweat, look no further than the BOSGAME P4 Plus Mini PC. This sleek and silent machine packs serious power under the hood, all while fitting in the palm of your hand. Let's start with the heart of this system, the AMD Ryzen 75825U processor. This 8-core, 16-thread CPU boasts a max boost clock of up to 4.5 GHz. In real-world terms, that means smooth and snappy performance whether you're editing documents, compiling code, running virtual machines, or jumping into demanding AAA games. Compared to Ryzen 5 CPUs like the 5600U or 5500U, the 5825U offers up to 35% more processing power, making multitasking and high-load operations buttery smooth. Paired with this processor is 32 GB of dual-channel DDR4 RAM, which means you're getting twice the bandwidth for memory-intensive tasks like Photoshop, video editing, or running multiple browsers with dozens of tabs. And storage? It comes equipped with a blazing fast 1TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD. Boot times are instant. File transfers are lightning fast. And yes, there's room for expansion. You can add another 2.5-inch SSD and upgrade your total storage to 2 TB. Now let's talk about graphics. This mini PC features integrated Radeon graphics with 8 GPU cores clocked at 2000 MHz. That's more than enough to run titles like Valorant, CS, Go, League of Legends, and even handle lighter AAA games on medium settings. But it's not just about gaming. This GPU excels at 4K media playback, creative work, and anything that demands crisp visuals. And with triple display support via HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB-C, you can connect 3 monitors simultaneously and create a productivity powerhouse or an immersive entertainment setup. Connectivity is another strong suit. The BOSGAME P4 Plus includes dual 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports, perfect for secure remote work, local server setups, or network-heavy applications. On the wireless side, it supports Wi-Fi 6E for ultra-fast, stable internet, and Bluetooth 5.2. So connecting to headphones, keyboards, and peripherals is seamless and lag-free. But the brilliance of the P4 Plus isn't just in its specs, it's in the design and usability. It's whisper quiet, thanks to its efficient cooling system. Its small footprint means it can be mounted behind a monitor, placed beside a TV, or packed away in a travel bag. Despite its size, it never compromises on performance. And for professionals, remote workers, and creators, this PC truly shines. It's ideal for office applications, graphic design, home server projects, or even as an HDPC setup in your living room. The 4K support makes it a dream for watching high-definition movies, editing videos, or running complex spreadsheets side by side on multiple monitors. Finally, BOSGAME backs this unit with a 1-year warranty and 24/7 customer support, giving you peace of mind that you're not just buying hardware. You're investing in service and reliability. In short, the BOSGAME P4 Plus is a mini PC that punches well above its weight. With Ryzen 7 power, 32 GB of RAM, 1 TB SSD, dual LAN, Wi-Fi 6E, 4K triple display, and silent performance, all in one ultra-compact package. It's perfect for gamers, professionals, and everyday users alike. If you want serious desktop power in a quiet, compact, and energy-efficient form factor, the BOSGAME P4 Plus is absolutely worth it. Click the link below to check the latest price and reviews. You might just find your next PC.